Latest trends in modular kitchen designs for 2025. Get ready to elevate your home style with the latest modular kitchen designs of 2025. Modular kitchens are no longer just about convenience and space optimization. They've evolved into lifestyle statements that blend aesthetics, technology, and functionality. Whether you're planning a renovation or just looking for inspiration, you won't want to miss this tour of the most popular modular kitchen designs of the year. The latest trends in modular kitchen designs are geared toward sustainability, smart living, and personalized experiences. 1. Seamless integration of smart kitchen technology. Smart kitchens are moving beyond voice-controlled lights and appliances. In 2025, modular kitchens are incorporating AI-powered systems that learn user behavior. Refrigerators suggest recipes based on ingredients inside, ovens auto-adjust cooking temperatures, and dishwashers detect the level of grime. Even kitchen faucets are becoming smarter, touchless, temperature-sensitive, and water-efficient. Designers are now embedding control hubs within cabinetry, making technology less visible but more effective. The goal is to create intuitive kitchens that think ahead for you. 2. Bold and expressive kitchen color palettes. Gone are the days when white, beige, and gray dominated kitchen color schemes. 2025 is seeing a surge in bold, moody tones and unexpected color pairings. Deep forest green, matte black, and terracotta are trending kitchen colors, especially when balanced with natural wood textures or metallic accents. People are treating kitchens as a creative canvas, no longer hiding it away, but making it a centerpiece of the home. The modern modular kitchen embraces color as a reflection of personality and taste. 3. Sustainable kitchen materials and eco-conscious designs. Modular kitchens in 2025 are utilizing eco-friendly materials like recycled wood, bamboo, and low VOC laminates. Water-saving fixtures and energy-efficient appliances are standard. Even countertops are turning green, with options made from recycled glass, composite stone, and reclaimed materials. Beyond materials, there's a push toward local sourcing and low-impact manufacturing. The future of kitchen design lies in choices that respect the planet without compromising style. 4. Open-plan kitchen and multifunctional layouts. In 2025, modular kitchens are designed to integrate effortlessly with living and dining areas. Kitchen island counters double as breakfast bars, remote workstations, or even cocktail stations. Storage solutions are smarter. Think pull-out pantries, hidden drawers, and vertical racks that make the most of every inch. These kitchens are flexible, designed to accommodate cooking, entertaining, working, and relaxing, all within one space. 5. Textured finishes and layered kitchen materials. Flat, glossy surfaces are being replaced by tactile finishes that add depth and dimension. In Kitchen Design 2025, expect to see a rise in fluted cabinetry, ribbed wood, brushed metals, and textured matte laminates. Stone, wood, and ceramic are layered to create rich visual interest. This move toward texture elevates the sensory experience of the kitchen, making it feel warmer and more luxurious. The fusion of different materials also helps break visual monotony and define functional zones within the space. 6. Personalized kitchen storage solutions. Customization is key in 2025's modular kitchen designs. Instead of one-size-fits-all layouts, people are choosing tailor-made storage based on their cooking habits and lifestyle. Drawers with organizers for spices, built-in wine racks, vertical baking trays, and corner units with rotating shelves are now standard requests. Hidden storage continues to trend, with sleek cabinets that camouflage everything from garbage bins to coffee stations. Function meets finesse as storage becomes smarter, sleeker, and more accessible. 7. Statement kitchen lighting and design-forward fixtures. Lighting in the kitchen is now a design element in its own right. 2025 is seeing a shift toward layered lighting schemes, ambient, task, and accent lights working together to create mood and functionality. Pendant lights over islands, LED strips under cabinets, and sculptural fixtures are being used to add drama and depth. Brass, black matte, and mixed metal finishes give lighting a decorative edge, transforming the kitchen into a high-design space that still works like a charm. 8. Minimalist kitchen with a twist. While clean lines and uncluttered surfaces remain core to modern kitchen design, 2025 is reinterpreting minimalism with warmth and character. Instead of stark, cold spaces, the new minimalism brings in organic shapes, earthy colors, and soft textures. Handleless cabinets, concealed appliances, and uninterrupted surfaces remain popular, but now they coexist with artisan tiles, open shelving with curated decor, and soft lighting. This balance of form and function creates kitchens that are both sleek and soulful. 9. Biophilic kitchen design and natural elements. Bringing the outside in is a major trend across all home interiors, and modular kitchens are no exception. 2025 kitchens are integrating natural elements. Think indoor herb gardens, skylights, natural stone counters, and wooden finishes that mimic forest hues. The goal is to create a calming, restorative space that connects you with nature. Designers are also incorporating more greenery, live plants on shelves, vertical gardens, and even hydroponic setups, turning kitchens into vibrant living spaces. 10. Hybrid kitchen spaces with modular flexibility. Today's kitchens are being designed with adaptability in mind. Modular systems now offer movable units, collapsible counters, and reconfigurable elements that let the space evolve with your needs. A compact kitchen can expand into a full entertaining zone with the addition of mobile islands or folding tables. This flexibility is ideal for urban dwellers, renters, or anyone seeking a future-proof kitchen setup. In 2025, the best kitchen is one that adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. As we look forward, the kitchen continues to be the heart of the home, but with a bold, intelligent, and highly personalized twist. Modular kitchens in 2025 aren't just about cooking, they're about living, connecting, and expressing individuality. Whether you're renovating or building new, these trends offer a roadmap to designing a kitchen that's not only stylish and functional, but also distinctly yours.